Yesterday, June 3, 2024, Canada announces new pilot programs to support caregivers and Canadian families, intends to make the caregiver program permanent. One thing that is really clear during that announcement, attain a minimum of level 4 based on CLB, hold the equivalent of a Canadian high school diploma, have recent and relevant work experience, and receive an offer for a full-time home care job. Right now, wala pa pong ibang requirements na pinost doon. Wala pa tayong alam, hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung mga requirements kasi I remember last time, 5 years ago, they said no more LMIA. And then after that, let's wait for a little while and then ang dami palang mga prerequisite in order for you to get that no more LMIA. Tumagal siya ng 3 to 4 years. Yung dati na process was only 6 weeks and then naging 3 to 4 years. And the hard part in here right now is that ang tagal ng paghihintay and then at the end of the day, sometimes it get refused dun sa application and sometimes it is yes, it is permanent residency, but the problem is that it take you 1 year for you to be able to remove that condition, and then after completing the 1 year, you still have to apply for permanent residency to remove that. So there's still an application. What if they're closed? So ang dami pong confusion dito sa previous pathway for caregivers, and now presently, as what I've said, alam ko na yesterday, there were a lot of people nagsabi sa akin na napuyat sila sa kakapanood at kakaintindi itong new program. But it is so simple. 4 lang yung sinabi dito na talagang na direct at saka alam natin na sigurado na kailangan ma-attain mo yung minimum na 4 level ng benchmark sa CLB, hold an equivalent of a Canadian high school diploma, have recent and relevant work experience, receive an offer for a full-time home care job. So I am asking everyone, if you want to come here in Canada, or if you are a tourist visa holder here inside Canada, or maybe a student and you want to get sponsored with this program, get your CLB, take your English exam right away, get your WES or World Education Services or any kind of assessment para sa foreign credential nyo, and of course kailangan nyo ng employer. So that's what I can suggest right now. Watch out, share this, and then let them know that next in the coming next maybe few days or a week, I will be able to answer all your questions.